Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So I arrived yesterday in Anaheim, but I didn't do anything. I just slept, and then in the afternoon I strolled around the neighborhood of my host because I was simply too tired. But today I am going to LA. We are going to LA because I'm going to meet some friends there. I'm going to spend 2 days in LA and I will be documenting the trip. So just watch the video.
Continue for half a mile.
So we're already in Santa Monica, and the first stop of the day is to go to this rooftop restaurant called Calabra, where we'll be having Sunday brunch. So this is my friend Erwin. He used to edit for ABS-CBN and he's now based here in LA. Where do you work now, Erwin?
I work in TBN. I work at TBN.
Alright, as an editor too, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so he brought us here to, what's this
We're here
restaurant?
in Calabra. It's in Santa Monica proper hotel. So,
Why do you like it here?
well, it's nice. Like, the view's really nice. It's like 360. You see like LA, Santa Monica, and South Bay. So.
Alright. So we just finished brunch here in Calabra, and the chef here is actually Filipino and he gave us a big discount. So if you happen to come by here in LA, go to Calabra guys and ask for the Filipino chef. We then spent the rest of the day exploring Santa Monica. We also went to the iconic Santa Monica Pier. After walking around, we spent the rest of the afternoon in Phil's Coffee. For late lunch, we headed to Glendale to have our Filipino food fix in Max's restaurant. So after eating at Mac's restaurant, we're now on our way to Lakma because I must have my picture taken in Urban Lights art installment. I always see it on Instagram, so I must have a picture of myself there. So after having our pictures taken at Lakma, we are now in the middle of Koreatown here in LA because we're going to have a karaoke night at Faro Karaoke Lounge. Good morning. It's day 2 here in Los Angeles, and right now we are going to have breakfast in Porto's before we go on to our Warner Brothers studio tour. They say Porto's is a very famous bakery here in the US, so let's see if it's really good. This is what we ordered in Porto's. We ordered for a cheesecake or cheese roll, and then we ordered also for a guava and cheese pastry. And we made it. We're already falling in line for the Warner Brothers studio tour. Hi guys, so we just finished with the Warner Brothers studio tour, and then we went straight here to Glendale to eat in Barrio Fiesta. This was recommended by Say Alonso because her sister owns the place. Can't wait to try again Filipino food. After eating lunch at Barrio Fiesta, we went straight here to the Griffith Observatory so we can get a bird's eye view of LA. And this Hollywood sign. So we're just here outside because the observatory is closed. They're only open from Friday to Sunday. So if you plan to visit here, make sure that you visit Griffith on those days. Alright? After Griffith, we went to West Hollywood and had coffee at Birdie's Coffee and Pastries. And then after coffee, I am meeting a former workmate, Ruby Ruiz. She's based here now in Hollywood because she is starring in the Amazon Prime series The Expats with Nicole Kidman. And she is inviting us here in Laurel Hardware. In the facade, you might think that it's a hardware store, but when you go inside, it's a fancy restaurant.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never change.
So the star of the show, Ruby Ruiz, is now here in Laurel Hardware.
Every day I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.
So we just had dinner in Laurel Hardware, and right now Tita Ruby is bringing us to her residence while she is shooting here in LA. So Tita Ruby is showing us her residence here in LA as a Hollywood actress. They have a
So this is a
pool.
swimming pool.
Yeah. Oh, those are the units. So they have a lounge area, and most of the residents here, they told me, are influencers, models, and Hollywood actresses.
Yes,
like
yes.
Ruby Ruiz. Every morning they have free coffee in this residence. And they have a cinema. And this is their gym. So Tita Ruby works out here every morning. That's why she has a sexy body now. She's fit. So, wow, this is her unit. So, how many residents here, Luis?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms.
It's overlooking
It's
Sunset Boulevard.
Yeah, it's overlooking Sunset Boulevard. This is a novel where the Amazon series is based.
Okay.
Yeah, the author is Janice K. Lee, and the title is The Expatriates, and Tita Ruby plays the role of Ezzy.
Yes.
And it's going to be shown on Amazon Prime.
Right.
Exclusively.
Yes.
So that wraps up my 2 days in LA. I'm really just so happy to be reunited with my favorite
Yes.
actress. Iska, if you haven't seen her movie
thank you.
and you have Netflix, then go search Iska. It's shown in the Southeast Asian region and in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Macau. Alright? But if you want to see Tita Ruby's next project, then subscribe to Amazon Prime.
Directed by Lulu Wang and starring Nicole Kidman.
And the Ruby Ruiz.